Welcome to the Quiet Pause. In the warmth of summer, nature moves in rhythm. The trees stretch upward, the sun lingers a little longer, and life hums with energy. But even amidst the motion, nature also rests. Roots deepen, soil nourishes, and everything grows in cycles. This meditation invites you to connect with the season by grounding yourself in its rhythm, to feel both steady and alive, rooted yet open. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Let your body settle. Allow your spine to lengthen just a bit, inviting presence into your posture. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, letting your body drop a little deeper into stillness. Now imagine yourself outside, barefoot in the grass, or standing beneath a tall tree. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft breeze brushing past you. Notice what you hear. Birdsong, leaves rustling, distant hums of life. Now shift your attention to your feet. Picture them rooted into the ground like the base of a tree. With every breath in, draw strength from the earth. With every breath out, release what you no longer need. Breathe in stability. Breathe out tension. Breathe in connection. Breathe out distraction. Feel yourself steady, present, attuned. Just like the trees, you don't need to rush. You are growing at the perfect pace. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its quiet rhythm. Let it mirror the pulse of nature, slow, sure, and alive. Repeat silently to yourself, I am rooted in this season. I move in harmony with life. Once more, I am rooted in this season. I move in harmony with life. Let those words linger as you breathe gently. When you're ready, begin to return to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers. Notice the air on your skin. And slowly open your eyes. Return to this moment whenever the world feels loud. We'll be right here in the quiet pause. And if this brought you peace, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need that peace too.